Exercise 8.1. We solved, no? That yesterday night. Yesterday I went outside. Today's date is 18th, yeah? Sorry. So today we learn about some for some specific angles. What are these trigonometric ratios? Let's say sine 45. How much is sine 30? How much is cos 30? Those we do some derivations. Okay. So let's say now we calculate. You want to calculate sine 45 degrees. Okay. So what is the total angle of triangle? If we sum up all the three angles, 180. Very good. Yeah. So let's say it's 90. So let's say now take it's a 45, 45. Okay. Other two angles take it as 45, 45. When these angles are same, then sides also will be same. So let's say take side as A, and this side also will be A. Okay. So what's the Pythagoras theorem? So the hypotenuse whole square is equal to hypotenuse whole square equal to side square plus side square. Right? So let's say consider a hypotenuse as let's say A, B, C. Okay. Now AC square equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to A square plus A square equal to 2A square. Right? Then AC will be equal to square root of 2A square, which will be square root of 2A. Yeah. Opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. Always. Okay. Okay. Now, did you understand if AC square equal to 2A square, then AC will be square root of 2A square. If you take square one side, it will be square root. Okay. So root 2A square, it will be square root of 2 into A. Okay. This till the point here, or you want? Okay. So now hypotenuse is equal to root 2 A. Root 2A. Now, what is sine 45? Sine theta equal to the value of the side opposite to the angle. Opposite to the angle, which is BC. BC by AC equal to A by root 2A. A will cancel out 1 by root. Okay. Sine 45. Right? Standard value. Never, it will never change. Let's say cos 45. Cos 45 will be the side adjacent to the angle, which is AB, right? AB by AC equal to A by square root of A. So A equal to 1 by root. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So tan 45 will be sine by cos, right? Sine 45 by cos 45. Both are same. So it will be 1. Okay. What about secant 45? Cosecant. Cosecant 45 will be 1 by sine 45. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sine theta. 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Okay. Clear? Note it down. Rohit, are you there online? Kaushik?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kaushik. Okay. So now secant 45. Okay. Secant 45 will be 1 by cos 45. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So 1 by root 2 again will be root 2. Okay. Now cot 45. Cot 45 will be 1 by tan 45. How much is tan 45? 10, 1. So 1 by 1 will be 1. Okay. Note it down this also. Here, yeah. What is the cosecant theta? Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Clear? Okay, Hari? Okay. Now we found the values for 45 degrees. Now we do it for 30 and 60. Yeah, similar procedure, but with a different triangle. We need to consider a different triangle because angles have to change, you know. We consider the same triangle, angles will be 90, 45, 45. So we have to consider different triangles so that angles will be 30, 60. So now we consider equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the angles are same inside. Okay. Equilateral triangle means, so how much is each angle? Equilateral triangle means all angles are equal. So how much will be each angle? 90, 90 means 270 it will be. Very good. 60, 60, 60. Very good, Hari. Okay. 60, 60. Okay, Hari. But this trigonometry, all the ratios are valid only for the right angle triangle, not for the any other triangle. So what we are doing is we are drawing a middle line here. Okay, now take A, B, C, and D. Understood, Hari? So now here we have two right angle triangles, right? So what are the two right angle triangles? ACD, BDC, right? BDC or whatever. So now what is the angle here? This one. If it is totally 60, this will be very good. Okay, 30. This also. Now we can see, no, this is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Total 180. Satisfying now? Okay. Now, so let's take this AB equal to 2A. This AB equal to, take it as 2A. AB. Like let's say like this is A, okay, just a naming convention changing, okay, nothing else. A, B, C, okay, so you can choose any names, not an issue. Okay, now let us suppose AB equal to 2A. Okay, so what is BD? BD equal to DC equal to of BC, right? BD equal to of BC. Of BC equal to, I think this is not AB. Let's take BC equal to 2A, not AB. Okay, Hari. So then what is BD now? BD equal to DC equal to A. Clear? Because it is half, exactly we are bisecting, no? So BD will be equal to DC, which is equal to A. Okay, clear now? So now we have 2A square and A square. Is 2A. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. So all the lengths are same for the equilateral angle. BC equal to 2A. If BC equal to 2A, then AB is equal to 2A. Then AC is also equal to 2A, because all the angles are same. No, then the lengths also will be same. BC equal to 2A, then BC equal to AB equal to AC. All the lengths also will be same. If angles are same, lengths of the sides also will be same. Now we know the BD, we know the AB or AC. Okay. So using a Pythagoras theorem, what will be AB square equal to? AB square, hypotenuse AB, right here. Okay. Now consider this triangle. Okay. Consider this triangle. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay. AB square equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay. Now what is AB? 2A whole square equal to AD square. We don't know. We need to find out AD square. BD square is A square. BD square is okay. So AD square equal to what is 2A whole square? 4A square. Clear? 4A minus A square. So AD square equal to 3A square. AD equal to root 3A. Okay, 3 if you take a root, it will be root 3. For A square, if you take a root, it will be A. Clear? Hari, it's clear, or do you want AD equal to root 3A. Okay. Now, so we know this is 2A, this is 2A, this is root 3. This height is root 3A. Okay. Now we need to find out sin 30. 30. Okay. So where is 30 here? Here is 30, right? So for sine, we need to consider opposite one by hypotenuse. Opposite is BD. BD is how much? Root 3 A by oh, very good, very good, very good. You are right. BD equal to A, right? Then AB equal to
AB.
2A. AB equal to 2A, no? All the sides are equal, no? So it will be sin 30 will be 1 by 2. Okay, cos 30 will be. So cos we need to take this one, adjacent. Adjacent, no? But we found out now how much? Root 3A, right? By 2A will be root 3 by 2. Tan, yeah. So now tan 30 will be sin by cos, right? So it will be 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 will cancel 1 by root 3. So cosecant 30 will be 1 by sin 30. Will be 1 by 2, 1 by 1 by 2 will be 2. Secant 30 will be 1 by cos 30. Will be 2 by root 3. We need to just reverse it. Cot 30 will be, so it will be 1. Again, root 3. Previously it is 1 by root 3, right? Now it is root 3. Got it? Clear? Everything clear? Yeah. Now we found out for 30. Let's find out for 60. Okay, what is cos 60? Let's find for sin 60. So here is 60, right? 60 is here. So we need to take a opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is how much? This one. Side length. AD. This is length. We found out, no? AD equal to root 3A. Root 3A. By hypotenuse is 2A. So root 3 by 2. Cos 60 will be BD by how much? BD by AB. Okay. How much is BD? A. AB is BD is 2A. AB is 2A. 1 by 2. Tan 60 will be sin by cos. Will be root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 will be root 3. Cosecant 60 will be 1 by sin 60. Secant 60 will be 1 by cos 60. Tan 60 will be 1 by cot 60. Understood? Any clarification? Clear now? Always sin theta will be opposite by hypotenuse. Cos will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan will be opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent or sin by cos. Okay. Note it down. So now we found for 30, 60, 45. 30, 60. Note it down. Okay. Next we will do it for 0 degrees, 90 degrees. Sin 0, sin 90. Okay. So these are the values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 0, 30, 45, 45, 60, 90. Okay. Time? It's 7 o'clock. Okay. So now let's take this one. This side. Okay. What's happening here? Okay, this is, let's take theta. A, B, C. Now keep on reducing it. Here next time theta will be less, no? Here theta will be less, no? Here theta will be much lesser, right? Finally, if this is inclining here, then theta will be 0. Here, Harry. So now, if it is made smaller and smaller in right angle ABC till it becomes 0. Okay. As angle A gets smaller and smaller, the length of side BC decreases, right? The length of side BC decreasing, no? Initially it is BC. Now if I decrease if I make the angle theta smaller, then the length is decreasing. Here this is the length, right? Finally. So initially this is the length. From here to here is BC. So if I reduce little bit, then it will be BC to here to here. So let it reduce it here to here. And finally, if I reduce it, it will be 0, right? Finally, BC. BC decreases. The point C gets closer to point B, right? And finally, when angle A becomes very close to 0, AC becomes almost same as AB. Right? AB almost will become same as AC, right? AC exactly it will coincide to the AB. AC will become BC will become 0. AC will become AB. Okay. When angle A is very close to 0, BC gets very close to 0. BC gets very close to 0. And so the value of sin A will be how much? For sin A, okay. Always we need to consider sign opposite, right? Opposite is what is? Hypotenuse, not opposite. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is here what? BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. Here BC is what? If A is 0, BC is also 0. So 0 by not 0. AC equal to some value which is equal to AB, or right? AC equal to AB. 0 by some non-zero value, right? So it will be 0. If A equal to 0. Okay. Then AB equal to AC. Is that right? AB equal to AC. And what about cos A? Cos A will be adjacent. Adjacent is A, B. Hypotenuse is. So then AB is becoming AC, no? So it will be 1. Okay. AB is becoming to AC, right? It will be 1. So sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Got it? What about tan 0? Sin 0 by cos 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay. What about secant 0? 1 by cos 0. 1 by 1 equal to 1. What about cosecant 0? 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0 equal to infinite. We can't define it. 1 by 0 is infinite value, which is not defined. Okay, not defined. Okay. Cot 0 also. Cot 0 is 1 by tan 0 is 1 by 0 again. So it is not defined again. Okay. Understood? So now we do it for 90. Okay. Now let us see what happens to the trigonometric ratios of angle A when it is made larger and larger in triangle ABC till it becomes 90 degrees. Okay. Now see, this is angle A, B, C. Now we want to make this angle larger. Means like this. Now angle is more, no? Angle is getting more and more. How? Right now? Angle is getting more and more. So previously, how can I say angle is getting more? And if it finally becomes vertical, then angle will be 90 degrees, no? This one, the dotted one. The dotted one is also become vertical, means if it is inclining with BC, then it's a 90 degrees. Here this line is there, no? But finally it touches B, then it will be 90 degrees, no? Actually it is becoming right. But it's touching. If A is touching B, then the line will be vertical only, no? Then it will be vertical. Then it will be 90 degrees. Okay. When as angle A gets larger and larger, angle C gets smaller and smaller. Right, because no, angle B is not changing. Angle B is not changing. That's what. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to how much? 180. Here angle B is already fixed. What is how much? 90. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90 equal to 90. Okay. So if angle A is keep on increasing, then angle C must reduce, no, to keep equal to same. Okay. So therefore, as in the case above, the length of side AB goes on decreasing. Okay. The length of side AB goes on decreasing, right? And then the point A gets closer to point B. Finally, when angle A is very close to 90, then angle C become very close to 0. And the side AC almost coincides with side AC coincides with side BC. Side AC will coincide with BC. It will 0, no? Yeah. That's a degenerate case. That's a degenerate case of the triangle. Degenerate case of triangle is line. Okay. Very good. That's a good question. Okay. So when when A coincides with B, okay, when A coincides with B, then AC will be equal to BC. Okay. Then angle A equal to 90. Angle B equal to 90. Angle C equal to 0. Now sin A equal to sin A is how much now? Sin A, now I am not asking about A. Sin A equal to BC by AC. So BC equal to AC, no? Finally, if A equal to 90. Huh? BC are lengths. BC are length. A is angle. BC is this one, this length. AC is this length. Okay. So if for angle A equal to 90, BC equal to AC. Because this is closely approaching coming, no? So it will be 1. Sin 90 will be. Now we are calculating cos 90. Cos 90 is adjacent by opposite. Very good. AB by how much AB? AB will be 0 and AC will be something. Okay. 0 by something is 0. Some non-zero. 0 by some non-zero value will be 0 only. Okay. Sin 90 is 0. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Tan 90 will be 1 by 0. You get it undefined. Okay. Cot 90 will be cos by or cos by sin, right? Cot is cos by sin or 1 by tan, both are same. Cos by sin. Let's say cos by sin. Cos is 0, sin is 1. 0 by 1 is 0. Okay. Cosecant 90 will be 1 by sin 90. Sin 90 is 1, right? 1 by 1 will be 1. Okay. What about secant 90? Secant 90 equal to 1 by cos 90 equal to 1 by 0 equal to undefined. Clear? Now we got the values for 0, 30, 45. Go in a sequence. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. That's it. Kaushik, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Hurry, just come here. Okay. Now see that okay, a corner. Okay. Now go on getting closer. Then you need to lift up your head more, no? To see the same thing, you need to lift up your head more, no? Means that angle is increasing, right or not? Understood? To see the same thing, you need to lift up your head. Means that angle is increasing, no? So to see the same thing, you need to continue to lift up your head. When you come more closer, you need to lift up your head more to see the same. So the angle is increasing. That's what here. Okay. Here we see from here to here. Okay. Take this one. So this is theta. This is, let's say, some theta. Now, if I want to see same thing from here, this theta will be, this theta one will be more than theta. Because when you come closer to the something, then you need to more you lift up your head. Understood now? Take this one. This is the point. Okay. So this is a straight line base, and that is a vertical line, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, from here to that is hypotenuse. Now I am seeing something direction. If I keep on going close to it, means I need to lift up more, no? Means theta has to increase. Right. Okay. Very good. Got it. Hypotenuse get shorter and shorter, and it will approach to this line. Vertical. That horizontal will get to 0. It's 20 minutes more. Just 20 minutes only, na? Now we'll have a table. What is table? Angle A. Angle A. Okay. Zero degrees. 30 degrees. 45 degrees. 60 degrees. 90. Okay, Hari. This is sine A. This is okay. This is cot A. Okay. Sine, one thing you remember. Okay. For sine, it will increasing from 0 to 90. It will increase. So it starts with 0. Then it will go to 1 by 2. It will go to 1 by root 2. It will go to 3 by 2. Finally, it will be 1. What is it? It's happening? It is increasing. Let's say like that. Okay. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. So 1. For cos, what will happen? It will decrease. 1 root 3 by 2. Like this. This one will come here. Then same 1 by root 2. So this one will come here. So if you get the sine, then cos is automatically you can get it, right? So what is tan? Sine by cos, right? 0 by 1 will be. So just you need to remember for sine. Once one you remember means remaining automatically all these will come. So sine 0 a tan will be tan 1 by 0 by 1 0. So here 1 by 2 by root 3, not 3. Okay, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. How much? 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3. 2 will cancel out. 1 by root 3, right? 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3. Very good. 1 by 0 will be undefined, not defined. Okay. So cosecant will be 1 by sine. So 1 by 0 will be not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. Here 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 ra. 1 by 1 by 2 will be 2. 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Okay. 1 by root 3 by 2 will be, just you need to reverse it. That's it. Root 3 by 2, if you reverse it, 2 by root 3. 1 by 2 reverse it, root 2. 1 by 2 reverse it, 2. Okay. 2 by root 3. If you reverse 1, it will be 1 only. Okay. So now secant will be 1 by cos. So if you reverse 1 only. If you reverse this one, 2 by root 3. Root 3. Here, if you reverse 1 by root 2, sorry. If you reverse 1 by 2, 2. If you reverse 0, it will be 1 by 0. 1 by 0 will be not defined. Okay. 1 by 0 is not defined, right? Okay, undefined. So cot A will be cos A by sin A. Cos A by sin A. 1 by 0 will be again not defined. Next is 2 by root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Cos by sin. Root 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 equal to root 3. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 will cancel. Root 3 by 1 will be root 3. Cos A by sin A. Right. So here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 will be 1. Here 1 by 2 by this is 0 by 1 will be 0. Okay. So now you can see the pattern. Okay, you know the sign. Okay, cos will be reversing. Copy it. What hurry? So let's say what's happening with sin A from 0 to 90, it is going from 0 to 1, increasing 0 to 1. So if you know the sine table, okay, so for cos you need to just reverse it. So 1 will be here, root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by root 2 will be here, 1 by 2 will be here, 0 will be, just reversing it, no? Tan will be just a sin A by cos A. So if you know tan A, cot A is reversing again. So here will be here, here will be here, here will be here. Reversing. What is the cosecant A? 1 by sin A. If you know cosecant A, secant A is again reversing. Here will be here. Easy, no? Just you need to know just a sin A, that's it. Once you know sin A, everything is easy. If you know sin A, to get cos A, what you need to do? Reverse it. Tan A will be sin A by cos A. If you know tan A, cot A will be reversing. Cosecant A will be 1 by sin A. If you know cosecant A, secant A will be reversing. Secant A is reversing of cosecant A. Sin A will be, cos A will be reversing of sin A. Cot A will be reversing of cot A. Cot A will be reversing of tan A. Very easy notable. How much time is there now? 5 minutes. Okay. Anyway, we'll stop the class. Okay. So till this point clear, no? Left, no, he is not there. Right.